Want to take your hot melt coating game to the next level? Here are 7 essential tips to help you achieve optimal results with your machines. First, adhesive temperature and viscosity matter. Use the right levels for perfect coatings every time. Second, keep your machine clean and well maintained to avoid clogs and ensure smooth operation. Third, optimize coating speed and thickness to achieve your desired outcome efficiently and effectively. Fourth, train your operators on proper usage and techniques to maximize productivity and minimize errors. Fifth, superior results demand high-quality adhesives specifically compatible with the coating machine. Sixth, implement diligent quality control measures to swiftly detect and address any coating defects. Seventh, regularly evaluate and improve your coating process to enhance both efficiency and quality. Remember, a well-maintained and properly utilized hot melt coating machine can significantly boost your productivity and quality levels. So, follow these essential tips and watch your business grow.